It was easiest for me to create a quick video to show you how to remove Google accounts from your device. So what you're going to want to do is open a tab in Google. Doesn't matter if you have other tabs open, that's fine. And then you'll want to click your icon at the very, very top, up past the address bar. And then once you're there, you'll see the accounts that are logged into your device. And you can actually click the other profiles and manage profiles cog, and then it will pull up all the profiles. Any of the ones you want to remove, you simply click the three-dot menu and you can hit delete and you'll remove them. So you want to delete all the ones that you no longer want attached to your device. Also remember, you want to make sure that your profile is the first one for CMS when you're resetting these. So you can do that. There's another option if it's easier. You can come into your three-dot menu and then go down to settings, come over to the left-hand side and click advanced. And then when you get to advanced, you can come down to reset and clean up, and you can either restore everything to original defaults, close your browser, reopen it, or clean up your computer, and that will remove anything old. So that way it doesn't hold again. This one's really good for if you're getting unwanted ads that pop up. So I hope this helps.